Hi, my name is Chuck Boyk. I've been an Ohio personal injury attorney for the last 29 years. If you've been involved in a boating accident, you need to know your legal rights and what options you have under Ohio law. That's why my law firm has written the book, the Ohio Accident Book. We explain your legal rights, your legal options, how to maximize your recovery under Ohio law, and the 7 secrets that insurance companies use to try to take advantage of you. Feel free to order this book today. Also, if you would like a free individual consultation, call us today and we'll be happy to talk to you and explain your legal rights.